Hi, this is Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So hey, Soulful Tea. This message is for Soulful Tea. And for those who don't know who she is, she has a cooking channel on YouTube. So Soulful Tea, I am challenging you to have a challenge with me. Would you like that? Yay, I hope so. So I decided that, let's just get a turkey breast, and we have to cook the turkey breast in some form or way, okay? And we're gonna see who dish comes out the most popular, okay? So, okay, my YouTube family, you can go on over to Soulful Tea and let her know that you want her to challenge me, okay? And Soulful Tea, please send your people over and let me know that you want to respond back and you want this turkey breast challenge with Grandma Ray Don't Play, okay? I can't wait to hear from you. I'm ready to get this challenge going, okay? Please, let's respond to each other through our subscribers and everybody that's watching our challenge, okay? Because I got a smoking turkey breast dish that I want to present to you, Soulful Tea, and you, I'm sure, can teach me a few tricks, okay? I really admire you, and I'm calling you out, okay? Grandma Ray Don't Play. I'm Rachel. I'm waiting to hear from you. Okay, thanks. Bye-bye.